In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get your TikTok account unbanned. First method is to appeal ban via TikTok Inbox. Tap on the Inbox tab in the bottom navigation bar and locate the ban notification and then tap on Appeal. Follow the on-screen instructions to appeal the ban. 2. Report issue to TikTok support team. Tap on the hamburger icon and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a problem. Enter your username, phone number or email, location, phone model, and account creation date. Write Recovered Deleted TikTok account request in the description box and tap on Submit. Third method is to submit appeal via feedback form. Go to the TikTok feedback form page on your browser and enter your TikTok email address, username, and select account ban suspension as the topic, and provide further details. Also add desired screenshots, agree to the terms, and then click on Submit. The last method is to contact TikTok support via email. Send an email to the TikTok support team using the provided email address corresponding to your region, and wait for a response for the TikTok team regarding your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.